Hi. So how's your lockdown situation? Hey, your private parts are open. See, I also felt like that only. When I'm coming, someone said your private parts are open. I just thought like that. But recently, mouth and nose are added in private parts. So before making those things, they have to clarify, right? Otherwise, private parts means we think other things. So are you comfortable in Telugu? Huh? Okay then, I will continue in English only. So we all know these effects of COVID, lockdown, everyone lost a lot. But you know, there are a few benefits also. Because of this lockdown, okay, especially for married people or in a relationship. Do you have girlfriend? Yes. Three. So anyone here having girlfriends? So no shopping, no parlor like makeup, everything, no holidays, nothing. So we have saved a lot of money, right? See, me also like, I do have a girlfriend. Because of this lockdown, I saved a lot of money. And also, one more benefit is, recently when this pandemic started, it's in Bangalore, okay? You know our lover's favorite spot. What is it? Huh? You tell me? Yeah. See, earlier it's parks, malls like that. Now, our lover's favorite spot, Oyo, okay? When this pandemic started, you know, in Bangalore, it's a real situation. See, there many went there and came. So what happened? One of the receptionists got corona. Okay. So they checked they checked in logs like whoever visited that place on that particular dates. Okay. So they made a list and they went to each and everyone's house. Okay. So they found out many married men are cheating on their wives. Okay. And and also boyfriends cheating on their girlfriends, and also parents, they don't know about their kids, okay? So the truth came out because of this situation. And also you see, married people, okay, when we used to go out, like we used to drink in bars and everything, they used to suffer a lot. They used to say to us like because of this situation, how they are facing an issue with their wives and everything. But because of this lockdown, they have to stuck in their house only, okay? I feel pity about them. Like 3 months, 4 months, no one came out, right? Okay. So, anyone vegetarians here? Huh? Only one. So basically from childhood or like recently changed? Okay. I'm a non-vegetarian. Everything. Yeah. So, like I'm a pure non-vegetarian. Okay. Pure means pure. I will eat anything. Okay. Any living thing. So some eat non-veg. They say like we eat only chicken, mutton, fish, pork, like that. Some are against pork or beef or like that. You know. I will tell one true incident. You know Dalai Lama? You all know, right? It's like 10-15 years back, I think. They came to Amaravati. It's in Guntur, near Guntur, okay, for an inauguration. So many people came from Tibet, like more than thousands. So they came and like they rented houses there, okay. For them, our people are very intelligent, right? Okay. Frog, 100 rupees, snake, 300, okay. They made a hell out of it. So I am a pure non-vegetarian. I will also try if got a chance. And you look handsome. Did anyone say to you? That's good. I like someone saying smart to me, not handsome. You know? You know, when 2 people have sex, it's called twosome. When 3 people have sex, it's called threesome. So when they call you handsome, So I hate it when anyone calls me handsome. I am not handsome. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So recently in this lockdown, I got a lot of time. Okay. So like everyone, I started watching Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar, and everything. So I'm saying I am straight. Okay. I should say this. Why? Because in every series there will be a gay episode, lesbian episode. It's almost threesome like that. Okay. So I am mentioning I am straight after this. Like why? Because after seeing all those series, like if it is in one series or like that, we can understand. But almost in everything like that. So I thought like world is like that now. So we have to clarify. And also, you know, I got lots of skills watching this series. Okay. In every series, like how to get away with murder. Okay. These forensic files, unsolved mysteries. Okay. Many more series. After watching all those series, now if I do a murder, I can get away. Okay. I do anything. I can plan like how the DNA will be found, how the face, everything, fingerprints or anything, how to manipulate. Yeah, everything. So I know how to delete that also. Main history. If you are using your internet, first delete that history. Okay? So, and one more thing. How many of you watch porn? Everyone will watch, but no one will say. Right? Now we have access, complete access to watch porn. Like a few years earlier, like they blocked, but we know where to find, which sites to see, and everything we know. But in my college days, at that time, we don't have this internet facility or anything. Okay? We have to go to a CD center. We have to get a DVD and DVD player and a TV. We used to stay in hostel, like with friends. So every Sunday, like one day rental it. We used to go there, we used to get it, and like it will be continuously on. Okay? Watching people will be watching, some will be sleeping, and some will be in washrooms or anything. Okay? It will be continuously on. Yeah. So we used to get regularly from them. So after going regularly, like we again went and we asked him for a new CD. That guy saw like this. Are, na దగ్గర ఉన్న సీడీలు అన్నీ మీకే ఇచ్చాను. Everything, whichever CDs I gave you everything. Okay? I don't have anything. I have to act one and I have to give it to you now. Okay? If you want me more means, I have to act and I have to give it away. Those days are funny, like going to internet centers and doing everything. Okay? But now, like we have access to everything because of this Jio and everything. We are enjoying a lot. Okay. So, you said you have a girlfriend, right? You said, right? Huh? Anyone? You? Okay. So, you have a girlfriend? No. See, I do have a girlfriend. Like, I have many relationships earlier, like live-ins and everything. Okay. But it's a torture having a girlfriend. Okay. Especially when you take them to vacations. Okay. Why? Especially while taking pics. If you take 100 pics, 1000 pics also, they will not satisfy. Baby, my hair is not good. And I'm looking fat in the pic. Bitch, if you are fat, you look fat. Right? This camera is not a graphic, right? Yeah. So, all are from Hyderabad? Hyderabad biryani. Okay. Like it's not biryani. Biryani means okay. And like recently I had a breakup. Okay. So I have a number of breakups, but recently I had a breakup. Okay. It's because of, you know, the possessiveness and everything, and also from her friends, what they say, everything. See, we earlier have some relationships or some affairs or anything. If they find out at that time, they will break up. And also I hate like, see, we have few friends, okay? married. And some of them got divorced, you know. One friend got divorced because he lost a job. Okay? His wife left him because you don't have a job, I don't want to stay with you. And another friend, his wife left him. Okay? It's because he has a job and he is not having a time to spend with her. Okay? These girls or ladies, I can't understand them. What they think also. So friends, this is my time. Hope you enjoyed it. Yes. Thank you.